head on over to turbojohnracing.com to grab you some t-shirts. Here at Kinston Dragway, we just got the car unloaded. We're fixing to do our driver's meeting, and you can see it is hot and sweaty. This is a lot different than our mountain vacation we just had. But so we got up under the car, drained the water off the oil. That's really all I've done to it. I was going to change spark plugs, but I got a little late start coming, so the spark plugs are going to have to be what it is. We're going to have to crank the car up and warm it up. It has not been cranked in 2 weeks, so hopefully it's going to crank up. I don't know if it's going to crank or not. We got Randy and Zach, they come out. I don't know if Justin's going to make it out or not. He got married, so he may still be on the honeymoon. So we got the hot rod. We're going to see. We're going to leave our tune-up basically the same like we had at Shadyside at the no prep. All right, here we go with the driver's meeting. First round coming up. We got to race our buddy Ron again. We're killing it with Ron. We're racing him all the time. So that's who we got to race tonight. First round. Okay, scratch that. I got to race Thurman. I'm not racing Ron. I got to race Thurman.
You want to call it?
No, you call it. Go ahead.
Heads it is. I'll take right.
Okay. Good luck, sir. He's got, that's Thurman Braxton, David Braxton's dad. Sorry. He's got that beautiful rat rod, the green one way down there. It's awesome. So this is what come out of the oil pan, and that looks like oil, but that's just a very little bit. You can see it's very thin. It's about a quart of water. So there again, that's why we run the Brad pen, is because that stuff separates, and it's been sitting for 2 weeks. So I mean, we're good to go. So we're going to try to fire this thing up right now as soon as this driver's meeting's over. Probably right now wouldn't be a good time to start it. So tune-up's in it. We got the battery charger on it. All right, let's check it out, see what happens. All right, so they have called it here. It is looking like we are in terrible shape. It is raining like crazy. So now we might try to head to Benson real fast as soon as this passes. It is 7:30, so we need to make a couple shakedowns. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know.
There it goes.
What do y'all think, Benson or no? Hertford is Saturday. Oh, there goes the radar. I couldn't get it. Yeah, that's a little teeny cloud right there, and it's all going south. Benson. Huh. By the time we get to Benson, it's going to be raining in Benson. So we may not be doing anything. I guess we could do a burnout. We could do a smoky burnout. I don't know if that'll work or not either. Dang. All this way, and it rains.
Right for the rain.
North Carolina weather.
Yep.
Rain, rain, rain.
Rain every day.
We thought we were going to miss it, but it got us. All right, guys, you see everybody is loading up. It just rained. I mean, it was a good, hard rain. We were hoping we were going to be able to get it in, but it is what it is. So we are now struggling with our decision on what we are going to do for tonight. If we should go to Benson. It looks like we might be okay in Benson, but there's also a chance it might get rained out in Benson. All right, what y'all think?
Weather look like wet.
Weather looks fine. Weather looks fine in Benson, but I mean, that's exactly right. We're wasting time if we're going to Benson. So, but I mean, the question is, I mean, that would be a good that would be a good Hertford tune-up to where if we're going to race at Hertford Saturday. If we're not going to race at Hertford Saturday, then we need to go do the prep testing somewhere so that we can get a better idea of how the car is going to behave at like Harold's where they got a bracket race. So I mean, it's not gonna be no prep, but it's not gonna be super duper prep.
And I actually think that what you got in there is closer than what it's going to be at Harold's or anywhere else.
I think that tune-up that's in there now is I mean, we know what it run at Shady Side, and that was no prep, but it was left. We may as well call that leftover prep, because the track was still. They didn't prep it while we were there, but the track was not bad.
Pull some of your old data logs from the winter race that we were in.
I've got those, yes. So I mean, I can plug those right in into.
It's going to be different is the temperature of the air temperature.
Right, and the surface at 710 it was concrete or asphalt. It was recently paved, so yeah, they paved it specifically for the digger die. Yeah, down track was a problem, but I mean this is what we need to be practicing hits on right here.
That's exactly what.
I mean this is aggregates at Rockingham, but where can we? I mean we can't.
I don't think it's going to matter on 60 feet because you're going to have all them big tires. There's going to be some big tires and some torn up tires.
Yes, I mean there might be enough rubber base down that it's kind of smooth.
Right.
Man, I don't know.
After 60 feet.
It's going to be hairy, yeah. But they're going to be spinning all the way down track too, so I don't know. I don't know. So I guess we got to decide right now, do we want to go to Benson and make a couple licks? We can make 2 passes or 1 pass. I mean, I know it's much further ride for y'all to, go.
Now, if we're going to go to Hertford.
I don't know if Hertford is a long ways. God, it's a long ways.
It don't sound like you're feeling it. It's supposed to rain everywhere.
Right. The chance of rain is 50 to 60% at Hertford most of the day on Saturday.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd ride up there for 50%.
I mean, 50 to 60% is what it was all day.
I'll do whatever you want.
It is 6 hours for Randy, and it's 4.5 hours for me. Long ride to go to Hertford. Okay, so what I think, I mean, it's not raining in Benson. I mean, old girl ain't shuck her tail feather in a while. I mean, it's been in the trailer for 2 weeks now. We ain't even cranked it yet. We don't even know if it's going to crank. I mean, seriously, we ain't cranked it yet.
You might better crank it up.
Well, let's crank it, see if it cranks up. And if it cranks, then go to Benson and make a pass. Maybe like 1 pass. Because I did change the traction control, so it's not going to catch it. So it ought to go a little bit faster than what it did at Shady Side, because the traction control was grabbing it and bringing the power down. But we can go make at least 1 pass, maybe 2 passes. What y'all think? Harold's
ain't 30 minutes for me.
So for how far is it from Brian's?
About a rebuild trip.
Okay, so it's an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes. So that's not terrible.
So it's about an hour and 5 minutes.
Okay.
It's a little bit closer.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Benson. We're gonna go to Galot real fast, and we're gonna I got the tune up in it. We're gonna just try to make a pass real quick and see what it does on this. And then for Harold's on Saturday, because we want to go make a couple shakedowns. Hey, look, I'm gonna talk to them. I'm gonna say, can I make a pass from the end of the track? And if we catch them in between testing, they might allow us to do it. I mean, and if they don't, I mean, I could always be stupid and let the car act like I'm staging, and then roll forward about 30 feet and then stage it again. Yeah, I mean, seriously, and leave at the 60-foot mark. Boy, God, we'd probably get kicked out. That'd be good YouTube footage, though. Get kicked out of the racetrack for doing a monster wheelie at the 60-foot cone. Okay, let's load it up. Let's go to Galot real fast.
Cranked right up.
I sprayed about 3 seconds of brake clean in it because I knew it was not going to be real happy. made it to Galot, but everybody's leaving. The storm is here. I mean, it's lightning all around, so. And there's your sprinkles of rain. I got here just as the rain did. See, they got it shut down. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain. Well, we were trying to do 2 tracks in one night, but it got a bust. Galot is like literally 3 miles from Brian's shop, and we had the list race tonight, and so that's the reason I went to Kinston, is because we had the list race. But you can see it's lightning like gangbusters out here now. So we got rained out at Kinston, so tried to make it back to Galot before we got rained out here. When we left Kinston, the radar was looking good, and then the closer we got here, the storm started, you know, wrapping up and started being pretty big and gnarly. So it got wiped out here too, so there's no way. I mean, this is going to pass pretty quick, it looks like, but I mean, you can see everybody starting to leave already, and I mean, it's just, you know, it's a done deal. So that's the bad thing about North Carolina. The good thing about North Carolina is we got tons of racetracks around. The bad thing about North Carolina in the summer is we have lots of pop-up showers. Pretty much you can about guarantee in the summertime the rain chance is 50% in the evenings, and so it's a coin flip on if you're going to get wet or if you're not going to get wet. I think Saturday we're going to end up at Harold's. It's a little local drag strip out there. It's not too bad. You know, I think they got a bracket race or something. They'll probably be doing some test and tune, so that's probably where we'll go. Hereford is just too far. It's a long ways. And with that coin flip of it might rain or it might not rain, it's a decent purse. It's a $2,000 purse with free entry. I mean, that's awesome. Actually, that's a great purse. But it's just too far for that much of a ride. So we're going to start focusing the next few days, Saturday, beginning of next week. We're going to start focusing on our dig or die tune-up. No prep on basically the top of the track at Rockingham. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be crazy. 130 cars locked in, $40,000. Wow. That is going to be crazy. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go fast and get some wind lights. We're going to try next weekend. Later.